Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee, and I've got an exciting new product I want to share with you. This is a product that's not only going to make your audio sound better, but it's going to give you more mid-bass, which everybody is looking for more bass in their audio system on their Harley Davidson. Now, we went over this a little bit in our Knowledge Fest video from Las Vegas. We met with the people from SoundSkins there and kind of told you a little bit about the product, but now we have it in stock. Watch for a few minutes and I'll go over each product and how it could help your Harley system sound even better. All right, so let's talk sound deadening and what it does. So we're very, very happy that we've been able to team up with SoundSkins because they are the best when it comes to sound dampening material in what we're doing in the audio, whether it be in cars, trucks, or motorcycles. But what they're doing on top of that is they build these easy pre-cut kits for your Harley. Let's talk about what it does though. So if we took a speaker and we take it out of an enclosure and we listen to it, it normally sounds pretty bad. It doesn't have any mid-bass response. All we hear is the high range in the upper part of the vocals. Now we drop that into an enclosure like this out of our Project 50 Harley, and it sounds quite a bit better. And Harley did a good job in 14 swapping from an open fairing to an enclosed pod like this in the front of the Harley. But with all things OE, they have to meet budgets and they have to meet certain things. And these are pretty thin. It's so thin that I can pretty much see through it. And so there's a lot of acoustical vibration when that speaker is playing. There are waves that go from the back of the speaker into this pod, and we want as much of that as possible coming out the front to give us more clarity. It increases efficiency, which gives us more volume, but the most important part is we get quite a bit better mid-bass response if we wrap this pod with an acoustical foam. Now this SoundSkins material is 3 parts. It has a foam on the outside, it has a metallic layer in the center, and a butyl rubber on the backside. So this 3-part is going to do a really good job of stopping those resonant frequencies. It's going to create those bass waves moving more toward where you are pointed at you, and overall give us a much more full sound. So the reason we decided to partner up with SoundSkins is because they're the best. We don't look for the cheapest way to do things. I want to do it the best way. Normally that's the most economical way because we only have to do it one time. But also we can send these out to our customers. Instead of sending you a big sheet, telling you to cut it and try to figure out where to put it, it's all in a sheet like this. Check this out. So here's what that big sheet would normally be like if you just ordered a sheet from them. But everything has been cut out. It's CNC cut to the exact size and shape we need for exactly what we're doing on your Harley. Now they didn't leave any of you out. So they have the pods for the Street Glide, Electric Glide, and Ultra Limiteds. They've got a full kit, which we'll be doing a video shortly showing you how to install that. They also have one specifically for the 14 and newer Road Glide pods. Now if you have that 98 to 13 Street Glide, Electric Glide, or Ultra, or even the 98 to 13 Road Glide, you do not have speaker pods in your fairing. So we have full kits that are pre-done to wrap the outer part of that fairing on the inside and create more of an enclosure and to give you much, much better sound. Now they also make a 14 and up or 98 to 13 bag kit. So we have a liner that goes on the inside of the bag, all pre-cut like this, so that your 6x9s or your 8-inch subs or whatever speakers you've put in those bags are going to also have a much better enclosure, better mid-bass, better efficiency. It's going to sound a lot better. And then we also have a lid kit. So whether you have that 98 to 13 style bag or the 14 newer bag, we have a specific lid kit as well. All of these items are available at volunteeraudio.com. They're very, very easy to install, and it's a very low cost for the performance and increase we get out of the audio system. And because of this, we've now added this as an option in all of our stage kits. So if you're on volunteeraudio.com looking at an amp and speaker package, one of those awesome plug-and-play kits that are so easy for you to put in yourself, we've added this as an option. There's a drop-down. You can do just a fairing kit, you can do a bag kit, or you can do the fairing and bag kit together. Very easy there for you to find, very easy to purchase. Very excited about it. This is going on my pods on Project 50. The bike already sounds amazing, but I know when you come and listen to it, it's going to sound even better after I wrap it with SoundSkins. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope this maybe answered why we're going to do this, what kind of benefit you could see to get out of it yourself. Definitely watch our next videos. We do the install and we kind of have the end result where I can try to show it to you. Thank you for watching. Please like this video. If you like this video, it's going to bring us up in YouTube search results, so more people will get to learn about volunteer audio and see the videos that we put out. Please subscribe to the channel so you can always be the first to know about the latest in Harley Davidson audio, as well as step-by-step videos on how you can put it on your bike. If you have questions about these kits, definitely give us a call at 1-844-30-AUDIO. We'd love to talk about your system, the end result that you're hoping to get, and walk you through that and make sure you make the right purchase. VolunteerAudio.com or call us directly, 1-844-30-AUDIO. Comment below if you have questions. I'll be really quick to answer them. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and God bless.